morning.
Hi.
You ready?
Yes. We're leaving today. We're leaving Wilmington today. And we're heading to Miami.
Sounds like silliness. Ugh.
Finally, we left Wilmington, and we were about to embark on the longest non-stop trip we've ever taken. A non-stop sail all the way to Miami, Florida.
So because we got rid of our CNG gimbaled stove and we haven't put a gimbaled stove back in yet because we're deciding if we even want one, as a little safety precaution I made this pot a seat belt so that it can't really slide forward unless of course we completely capsize, in which case
That would be the least of our worries.
But it hasn't slid yet, but just as a safety precaution. I know all you out in YouTube land are really concerned about our safety, so I thought I'd let you guys sleep a little bit better at night by giving our pot a seatbelt.
This morning the wind died, so we decided to go ahead and take a swim, and right where we wanted to go swim, some dolphins show up. So we jumped in and swam with them. That was awesome.
Oh my god! That was the coolest thing ever!
Love it! They were dancing around me. It was awesome.
That was amazing.
That was really cool. It was something that was on my bucket list for a long time, and I finally scratched that off. Now I get to say I swim with dolphins. Hey guys, so as you can tell, I don't really know how to play guitar. I've had this guitar for a while. I just never really been motivated to learn enough. But I ran out of excuses. So before we left Wilmington, I downloaded a whole bunch of tutorials and lessons on YouTube. And today is officially my guitar lesson number 1. I really only know how to do one thing. But I'll practice and practice, and maybe by the time we reach Miami, I'll be able to do more than one thing. Maybe I'll be able to play a song by then. So yeah, I guess I'll just keep practicing. This is the perfect moment to learn how to play guitar anyway. Bye! We are about halfway there now, and the wind has died again this morning. So, and it's also 100 degrees outside. So, we're going to find a way to cool down. The weather pattern seemed to be pretty consistent. Every morning around 10 a.m. the wind would die, and we would take that opportunity to have a little fun.
Tony!
Sometimes even too much fun. And then the wind would pick back up in the late afternoon, pushing us forward through the night at a very comfortable speed. And just like the day before, around 10 a.m., it would die again. And just like the previously hot days, we would always find something useful to do.
So how hot is it today?
It's really hot. It's really hot. There's no wind, and the sun is like extreme. So I'm making a shade to protect ourselves. So we are going south, and we have a friend of ours that's going north, and they ended up being 2 miles away from us and hailed us on the radio. So C is actually our perfect addition to meet up. So we're going to hang out for a little bit. It didn't take us long to find each other. So we hove to, rafted our boat together, and enjoyed some good company.
Cheers.
Hi. Hi, Ella. Thanks again for watching this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, we're excited to share with you our next step, where we literally squall hop to Miami. Until then, cheers!
Monkey toe your way up to your knees and hold on to those knots with your feet. Legs up. Alright, don't fall on me. You want to get the rope tight as quickly as you can so you swing. That's what I did. I stood up. Oh my god! That looks so painful. Why did you do that? You just like threw yourself at it.